Most people think their passwords are safe, but really, most passwords are dangerously predictable. Why is that? Well, most people begin with a standard password, something easy to remember. Maybe they replace a letter with a symbol, or add a capital letter. They might replace a letter with a number. Or, if they're feeling really creative, they'll add punctuation. What they don't realize is that in a matter of seconds, a hacker can crack that code and put you and your entire business at risk. How does this happen? Let's find out. Meet Sophie. Sophie's a teacher. Wait, she's a lawyer. No, Sophie's a dentist. She runs a busy practice and prides herself on keeping her patient data and business records safe. Between patients, Sophie takes a break and checks her social media account. She uses a variation of her standard password, the one she remembers because it's her daughter's name. Sometimes she makes the A capital, but this time she's using a symbol instead. Clever, Sophie. She doesn't know it, but she just opened a portal to the dark web. A criminal hacks her social media account and secures her exact password. Her credentials are auctioned to the highest bidder, who reverse engineers every possible variation of her standard password, exposing her bank account, employee information, and patient information. All of which puts her business at risk. But this disaster can be avoided. Introducing Dark Web ID. We scour the deepest corners of the dark web, constantly monitoring for your compromised credentials. And we alert you before compromise turns into catastrophe. Secure your business and protect your assets today with Dark Web ID.